topic is moving charges and magnetism. Heading on the magnetic Lorentz force. I am assuming there are three axes: y-axis, z-axis, x-axis. So along the z-axis, I am applying magnetic field. B is symbol of magnetic field. And charge particle, it is at the origin. And charge particle is moving with velocity v. It makes angle theta with respect to magnetic field. So charge particle move yz plane move, it makes angle theta. If v resolve into two components like this. This angle is theta. Then what is this? V cos theta. What is this? V sin theta. If Lorentz any charge particle moving in magnetic field experience force. That force depends on three factors. Number one depends on magnetic field B, depends on charge Q, and depends on V sin theta. So more magnetic field, more force, more charge, more force, more V sin theta, more force. Now combine all three, we are getting F depends on BQV sin theta. So constant K equal to 1, F is equal to constant K into BQV sin theta. The K value 1. So F is equal to BQV sin theta. This is magnetic Lorentz force. If you want to write this in vector form, F vector equal to Q into V cross P. I hope all of you remember the Fleming's left hand rule. So now video on. So this finger is a magnetic finger. It is charge finger. It is force finger. So father, mother, child. Father F na force. Mother M na magnetic field. Child C na current or charge. Namakuru diagram la magnetic field is along this direction. Correct? And it is direction of charge. It is direction of force. So force is towards me. Purida? Is it clear? So we have few cases. First case 1. Case 1 la it is direction of the magnetic field. It is direction of the magnetic field. And assume charge is at rest. Charge is at rest. If charge is at rest, now what is velocity? 0. What is formula? F is equal to BQV sin theta. This is the formula. Since velocity is 0, F is equal to B into Q into 0 sin theta. F is equal to 0. Appa charge particle magnetic field la rest la what is a force? It experiences no force. Now case 2. It is a magnetic field. Charge Q is moving along the magnetic field. Charge Q is moving along the magnetic field velocity V. So what is theta? Theta is an angle between B vector and V vector. Theta equal to 0 degree. So F is equal to BQV sin 0. Sin 0 is 0. F is equal to PQV into 0 equal to 0. Even though charge is moving along the magnetic field, it experiences no force. If you see case 3, again we can assume it's a magnetic field and the charge particle is moving opposite to magnetic field. Charge particle moving opposite to magnetic field. Now what is the angle between magnetic field velocity? What is the angle between velocity and magnetic field? Magnetic acting opposite this direction, velocity acting this direction. Then what is theta value? 180 degree. What is F formula? F is equal to BQV sin theta. So BQV sin 180. And what is sin 180? 0. So BQV into 0 equal to 0. இப்போ 3 கேஸ்ல charge experience 0 force. எப்போ? When charge is at rest in magnetic field, it experience no force. Charge is moving along the magnetic field, experience no force. Charge moving opposite to magnetic field, experience no force. Suppose it is a magnetic, it is case 4. We are discussing case 4. It is a magnetic field. It is magnetic field. And charge is entering perpendicular to magnetic field. A charge entering perpendicular to magnetic field with velocity v. So now what is the angle between B and V? Velocity in magnetic field 90 degree. So magnetic field acting upward direction, velocity acting this direction. So angle between them is 90 degree. Then what is F? F is equal to BQV sin theta. So BQV sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. F is equal to BQV. So it is a maximum force, F max. So F is equal to BQV. Any charge particle entering magnetic field exactly perpendicular, it experiences maximum force. அது மட்டும் இல்ல, என்ன ஆகும்? சுத்த ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். It takes circular path. So any charged particle enters magnetic field perpendicularly, it traces circular path. So any particle, a charge particle, so any charge particle enters magnetic field perpendicularly, it takes circular path. அப்படி இல்லாம ஒருவேளை if they going with some angle, it is the last case, is case 5. It is a magnetic field. It is a magnetic field. If you send the particle with some angle q, with angle theta, then என்ன ஆகும்? இது வந்து ஹெலிகலா போக ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். It go like a helical. So any charged particle enters into magnetic field with some angle. It traces helical path. இது ஒரு ஹெலிக்ஸ், இது ஒரு ஹெலிக்ஸ் வச்சுக்கலாமா? ஸோ இப்படி போகும்போது ஹெலிக்கல் பாத். அப்போ இது ஒரு ஹெலிக்ஸ், இது ஒரு ஹெலிக்ஸ். Distance between two helix is called pitch. It is called pitch of helical path. Pitch of helical path. Now the question is force on a current carrying conductor. Force on a current carrying conductor placed in magnetic field. ஒரு current carrying conductor magnetic field வச்சா என்ன ஆகும்? இதான் question. So the logic is very simple. Let us imagine a wire like this. இது ஒரு wire. Now the wire is placed in magnetic field. Assume it is direction of magnetic field. இந்த wire current போகாதா? போகும். Assume direction of current is this direction. It is direction of current. Then what is direction of force? திரும்ப நான் பண்ற வீடியோவை என்ன பாருங்க. சேம் ரூல் தான். இது ஃபாதர்னா எஃப்னா ஃபோர்ஸ். திஸ் ஃபிங்கர் இஸ் ஃபோர்ஸ். திஸ் ஃபிங்கர் மதர்னா எம்னா மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்ட். This finger is C na child. So here all of you keep like this. This magnetic field is moving upward direction. Current is going this direction. Appo automatically third finger na enna paathu varum. So force towards me. Wire enna agum? Enna paathu move aarambikum. So the wire start moving towards us along x axis. This is force. Clear? And one more thing is a wire. Clear? What is area of the wire? It is A. What is length of the wire? It is L. Therefore, what is volume of wire? Equal to AL. Let us consider number of electrons in 1 meter cube is equal to N. So 1 meter cube is N electrons. What is number of electrons in 2 meter cube? 2N. Number of electrons in 3 meter cube? 3N. And so on. What is number of electrons in AL meter cube? What is the answer? For 1 meter cube, it is N. 2 meter cube,
ALN.
2N. ALN, correct. In the ALN, the total number of electrons. So I can take it as capital N. So only one electron. What is the Lorentz force? F vector is equal to Q into V cross B. So I can take it as a VD as VD cross B. So one electron, what is the force? F. Our 2 electrons, what is force? 2F. 3 electron, what is the force? 3F. In the wire, மொத்தம் எவ்வளவு electron இருக்கு? N electrons இருக்கு. அப்ப what is total force? NF. Correct? That is equal to capital F. And what is N? N is equal to NAL. So small f என்றது Lorentz force of one electron. And what is capital F? It is a Lorentz force of capital N electrons, total electrons. Now we are going to substitute instead of this N, going to substitute this value. Instead of this F, substitute this value. Up and I do F vector is equal to NAL Q VD cross B நாயிடும். கரெக்டா? இப்போ இதுல NQVD is equal to J ன்னு எழுதிக்க போறோம். Already we know this from our previous chapter. So replace NQVD as J. So in the portion ஆயிடுது J ன்னு ஆயிடுது. F vector is equal to J AL cross B. Again from the previous chapter already என்ன படிச்சிருக்கோம்? J into A is equal to I ன்னு படிச்சிருக்கோம். What is J? Current density. What is A? Area. Current density into area equal to current. This also we studied in last chapter. So replace J into A is equal to what? I. So this portion become I. So I into L cross B. So F vector is equal to what? IL cross B. If you want to write in non-vector form, it becomes ILB sin theta. It becomes ILB sin theta, that is equal to F. So shorter, easy F is equal to BIL. Instead of ILB, I bill bill sin theta. If theta is equal to 90 degree, then F is equal to what? BIL sin 90. What is sin 90? 1. F is equal to BIL. So maximum force. And the wire move ஆரம்பிச்சிரும் with the force of BIL. The next heading வந்து Ampere circuital law. Ampere circuital law. இந்த law எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றோம்னா to find the magnetic field at a given point. The law says closed integral of B vector dot DL vector equal to mu naught IC. இதான் அந்த law. So what is B? B is a magnetic field. What is DL? Is a length element. What is mu naught? It is permeability of free space. Permeability of free space. And what is IC? I na current, C na closed. So current through closed loop. It is current through closed loop. நீங்க டாட் ப்ராடக்ட் இல்லாம டைரக்டாவும் எழுதலாம். You can write like this: integral of b dl cos theta equal to mu naught IC. இப்படி எழுதிக்கலாம். இது வந்து without dot product, without vector form, that is with vector form. Now using this ampere circuit law, we find the magnetic field due to current carrying straight wire. Using ampere circuit law, derive an expression for magnetic field due to current carrying straight wire. One of the very important question. Let us imagine it is a current carrying straight wire. Carries a current I. So video on பண்றேன் பாருங்க. So எல்லாமே தெரியும், நீங்க சின்ன வயசுல படிச்சிருப்பீங்க 10th standardல thumb rule. ஞாபகம் இருக்காது? So thumb indicate direction of the current, remaining forefinger indicate direction of magnetic field. இதான் palm rule நாங்க. So current இப்படி போச்சுனாக்கா இது magnetic field direction. So current மேல போச்சுனா இது magnetic field direction. So current is upward, magnetic field is circular. If current is straight, magnetic field is circular. அப்ப இந்த wire எப்படி இருக்கு? ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா இருக்கா? அப்ப around the wire there is a magnetic field. Yes or no? Around the wire there is a magnetic field. இப்ப ampere சொல்றாருன்னா they ask you to take a loop, ampere loop. Ampere loop என்ன? The imaginary loop around the wire. அப்ப நம்ம எப்படி எடுத்துக்கலாம்? ரெக்டாங்கிள் எடுத்துக்கலாமா, ட்ரையாங்கிள் எடுத்துக்கலாமா, irregular shape எடுத்துக்கலாமா, சர்க்கிள் எடுத்துக்கலாமா, எலிப்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கலாமா கேட்டாக்கா எதனா எடுத்துங்க, ஆனா ஃபீல்டு கான்ஸ்டன்டா இருக்கணும். நீங்க ஸ்கொயரா எடுத்தீங்க அப்படின்னாக்கா என்ன ஆகும்? மிடில் இருந்து இங்க ஷார்ட் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஃபீல்டு அதிகமா இருக்கும், இங்க லாங் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஃபீல்டு கம்மியா இருக்கும். அப்ப ஸ்கொயர் எடுத்துக்க முடியாது. எலிப்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கலாம் அப்படின்னாக்கா அகைன் ஃப்ரம் த மிடில் இங்க மோர் மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்ட், இங்க லெஸ் மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்ட். எலிப்ஸ் எடுத்துக்க முடியாது. ஸோ அப்போ நீங்க எடுத்துக்கிற ஷேப் எதுவாக இருந்தால் பெட்டரா இருக்கும் ஃபார் கெட்டிங் சேம் மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்ட், கான்ஸ்டன்ட் மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்ட்? சர்க்கிள் தான் பெட்டர். ஸோ ஐ எம் டேக்கிங் சர்க்குலர் மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்ட், சர்க்குலர் லூப். ஸோ ஐ எம் டேக்கிங் சர்க்குலர் லூப். ஸோ நான் கிரீன்ல போட்டிருக்கிறது மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்ட், பிளாக்ல போட்டிருக்க சர்க்குலர் லூப். இங்க வாட் இஸ் இன் டயக்ராம், வாட் இஸ் த ஆங்கிள் பிட்வீன் ampere loop and magnetic field? What is angle? Ampere loop circle, magnetic field circle. Okay. What is angle? Theta equal to what? 0 degree. So according to ampere circuit law, closed integral of b dl cos theta equal to mu naught IC. So theta is 0 degree. So closed integral of b dl cos 0 equal to mu naught IC. Cos 0 is 1. Closed integral of b dl into 1 equal to mu naught IC. IC na current through closed loop. So b constant, integral of dl equal to mu naught IC. இந்த dl பாருங்க, சர்க்கிள் இல்லையா? ஒரு சர்க்கிளோட ஃபுல் லென்த் எவ்வளோ? dl dl dl. If you add all dl, what we are getting? 2 pi r கிடைக்கும். So b into 2 pi r equal to mu naught IC. IC என்ன? current through closed loop. அப்ப இந்த closed loopக்குள்ள எவ்வளவு current போகுது? I amount of current தான் போகுது. அப்ப IC வந்து I தான். So b into 2 pi r equal to mu naught I. So b is equal to mu naught I by 2 pi r. It is a magnetic field due to straight wire. Very important formula. Please make a note. See the second question. A long straight wire carries a current of 35 ampere. So what is given? Current is given. So current I is equal to what? 35 ampere. What is the magnitude of magnetic field at 20 centimeter from the wire? So imagine it is a wire carrying current. And what is the value of current? 35 ampere. Choose some point P, which is 20 centimeter away from the wire. So at point P, what is the magnetic field? It is a question. So R is equal to what? 20 centimeter. Nothing but 20 10 power of minus 2 meter. So straight wire, what is the magnetic field formula for a straight wire? Just now we discussed. B is equal to mu naught I by 2 pi R. So what is the value of mu naught? 4 pi 10 power of minus 7. I value is 35 by 2 pi into R is 20 10 power of minus 2. So we can cancel pi pi adichalla. I cancel this 2 times. If I cancel this, it become minus 5 10 power of minus 5. So 70 is 10 time. So 3.5. So it's 3.5 10 power of minus 5 Tesla. 35 by 10 3.5. So it is a magnetic field.